We're the Penticton FireSmart team, and we're here today to tell you about today's FireSmart tip. A grab-and-go bag is a small emergency kit that is prepared prior to the wildfire season. Having a grab-and-go bag will ensure that you leave the home with all the necessary items. Here are some of the items Ember included in her bag. Some ready-to-eat food, like granola bars, dried fruit, and crackers. Some water. Personal toiletries, including an extra pair of contacts or glasses. A first aid kit and a whistle. A radio and a flashlight, and extra batteries for both. Include a phone charger and a battery bank, and some cash in small bills. And finally, Ember also included a copy of her emergency plan. If you have any pets, ensure you pack copies of their identification and vaccinations. Now Ember has her grab-and-go bag ready in the event she needs to evacuate due to a wildfire. If you have any questions or want to know more about FireSmart, contact us at firesmart@penticton.ca.